Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Thursday, March 25th, 2021. Right now, this market is poised for a pan sell-off. Pan meaning everything. Looks like it's about to sell off. We got stock futures under pressure, gold and silver under pressure, cryptocurrencies under pressure, crude oil under pressure. The dollar is stronger and the 10-year yield has dropped. What are we looking at here? Fear. When you have fear in the market, this is what happens. You get a pan sell-off. And to me, I'm going to say it again, this is a buying opportunity. The easy money is not going to stop. As a matter of fact, the easy money is going to increase. And how do we know that? What just happened this morning? We got another piece of abysmal, off the Richter scale, economic news. Another 684,000 people last week applied for first-time unemployment benefits. And do you want to laugh? Maybe you should sit down for this. This is being twisted as some kind of a good thing yet again because it could have been worse. People, it can't be worse. Every single week we're getting 800,000 people applying for first-time unemployment benefits. So this week we get 684,000 and it's great. Are you kidding me? You couldn't make it up if you tried to do it. So, I don't know. That's just the sick, twisted games that they play. It's out of control. So again, we have a market here poised for a sell-off. Stocks are under pressure. Gold and silver under pressure. Crypto's under pressure. Crude oil is under pressure after an astonishing run up yesterday because of the sideways ship, stuck in the canal. I can't make that up either. But yeah, that actually did happen. But look, people, me. What did I do this morning? Let me put this into perspective for you. I'm looking at all this, and I understand the big picture, and I know you do too. I don't care what the market is doing right now because I understand clearly, and so do you, that this debt acquisition cycle, this debt issuance cycle is just starting. It's not like we're at an end here. All right, we heard from Fed Chair Powell over the last 2 days, Treasury Secretary Yellen creature over the past 2 days, and all the talk is about more debt, more debt, more debt. And the more debt they issue in this environment right here, the higher the stock market's going to go, the more opportunities we have to buy massively suppressed assets. And I'm referring to gold and silver. And I'm going to tell you something else. What's also suppressed is cryptocurrencies. I don't care that Bitcoin is 50 whatever $1,000 right now. It's going higher. It's going much higher. All the big cryptos are going higher unless there's some major regulations that are instituted here. And I do not see that happening. I really don't see it happening. So look, cryptocurrencies pose a zero threat to the establishment. They're just going to let this stuff run off because it's kind of like a thing people want to do. And that's fine. Again, there's opportunity here in my view. But the bottom line here is we haven't seen anything yet. Nothing with regard to the explosion of debt, which is going to hit everything. It's just not going to stop. So understand. So when you see this is opportunity. So what I did is I say, okay, Greg, where are the opportunities? They're everywhere. They're everywhere. You got to buy these dips in the market. Okay, that's my take on it because we know the big picture. Look at the 10-year yield right now. It came down. Dollar is stronger. Knee jerk. This is fear. When you see the dollar higher like that and that 10-year yield drop like that, when everything is selling off, that just tells you one thing. There is fear in the market. Market is driven by two factors: fear and greed. Fear is stronger. Capitalize on the fear. Okay? That's where we're at. We have an economy in free fall collapse. Like I said, another 684,000 people just applied for first-time unemployment benefits. And they're playing this up as a good thing. It's only in a twisted world can you possibly do that. But that's where we are at. And to me, people, and I've been dead on correct for years, this is a buying opportunity. This is a freaking buying opportunity of the highest order. I don't care if the market sells off today, tomorrow. I don't care, because the bigger picture is, or the macro picture is, central banks are not even close to finishing their job, which is to buy it all, to inflate. So if we know their game, we are going to play our game and we're going to destroy it. Forget about it. Don't buy the fear. Don't buy into the fear. Use this as an opportunity to add to existing positions, whether it's in precious metals, whether this is in cryptocurrencies, whether this is in the stock market. That's my take on it. You are clearly allowed to have yours. But this is what it looks like to me, people. And who knows what they're going to pull off here by the end of the day. Remember, you know what they're going to do? They're going to find a way to prop up crude oil. I can promise you that. The Fed is buying everything. They're not going to stop. Fed Chair Powell said last week the Fed is all in. That was his words, all in. That means they're gonna buy it all. They're gonna buy it all. If that means they're gonna buy the stock market too. They're not done finishing their end game, which is to own it all. Period. The end. All right, look, I'm out of here. Covered a lot of important things here with you. Watch these markets. Watch that 10-year yield. Watch the dollar today right on my website, traderschoice.net. And that's it. I'm out of here. This guy right here loves you a lot, and I will see you later.